my gosh, what are you guys making? Smells amazing. All the vegans.
Isn't that one good?
We're just so good at food. The onions.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Vegan boys.
Wait.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, you don't have pasta sauce on yours. Pops, can you bring over the red pasta sauce for them? Oh, that's nice of you.
That's what one did.
Fuck what you thought I'd do without you. I'm so much better like you never met me. I'm doing anything I want to. I'm going 0 to 80, so when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down B2. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed. Oh, strangers, strangers. The other day I found your t-shirt, and I'd be lying if I said that it didn't hurt. But fuck it, it goes with my short skirt, and I look good in it, baby. When you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down me.
I am sitting at the campsite and Eric is doing all the work. Look at that guy. He's the best. Ever since my 3rd trimester, he's been doting on me and making sure everything is so comfortable and that the baby is happy with food. And camping is one of those things that's like really hard. We still love it, but you know, you're in a tent, you're outside for 7 days, and you're doing your dishes in a tub. And then add pregnancy on top of that, that just basically, like, not just pregnancy, but 3rd trimester pregnancy, where things are just a little bit different, a little bit more uncomfortable, and you're feeling it. And that's why I'm really grateful to have Eric, who can do all this stuff, and he's really good at it. I'm going to give you a tour from my seat. This is my seat. These are my dirty feet. I've given up on trying to keep my feet clean. That is our fire that already went out. That is our rooftop tent that we still love. Tepui, it's great. Highly recommend. We get lots of questions about it. That is my husband, who knows how to do stuff that I don't know how to do. He's like blowing on fire. I wouldn't know to do that. Those are our neighbors who left their trash out even when I told them, you guys gotta be real careful about the bears. They still left their trash out. So we're gonna get a bear strolling through here. The bears last year were very active, and the bears this year are even crazier. They'll come right up to you. They don't care that everyone's around. It's a real problem. So when you are camping, please be responsible and store your food. It is the best way to protect the bears. But if everyone's responsible and puts their food away, the bears will no longer come up to us. And look at that, he fanned it into a flame. It's our last night. We just played catch because we didn't know what to do with ourselves. And then we've been having so much nature.
Wait.
What?
She's surprisingly good at catch.
Yeah, not bad for having
kind of blew my mind.
Really terrible vision. And we wanted to share this little piece of nature that we've been experiencing. There's a bat that visits the bathroom.
Been here 3 nights now.
We don't go in when he's there because it's just a little creepy, but we do think bats are cool. Eric and I,
cute.
They're cute, and you know, we're kind of into zoology lately.
We're not into zoology.
We are. We love zoology.
We looked up one thing on Google.
We Google animals sometimes, so zoologists. You get closer. You get closer. And you just...
I'm so scared.
It looks cute. Like, he's just like, what's up, man? Yeah. Yes. Gosh, I'm so scared.
If it moves, I may drop the camera.
Do not drop the camera.
He's not looking at us like he was last night.
But his ears are really good, so...
Those are the ears, yeah.
Okay, I'm scared. Let's get away.
Goodbye, bat.
You know, for being zoologists, we're not that...
We're kind of scared of animals a little too much.
It's our last day. We are all packed up. Everything's gone from the campsite, but we wanted to get another dip in. We're coming to the same little watering hole that we went to yesterday because it's just so perfect. And yeah, I just love it here. In other news, I finally bought a new swimsuit. That was a long time coming. I can't believe I still wore that old swimsuit. That did not fit me at all.
So when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down me too.